Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer design to Canva for Teams step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Log into your Canva for Teams account. Once you're logged in, locate the design you want to transfer. Click on the design to open it in the editor. Next, select the elements in your design that you want to transfer. You can click and drag to select multiple elements at once. Alternatively, hold down the Shift key while clicking on individual elements. Once selected, right-click on any of the highlighted elements. From the context menu, choose the Copy option. Now, navigate to your new Canva for Teams project. Click on the blank canvas or select a template to open it. Once in the new design, right-click on the canvas again. This time, select the Paste option from the context menu. Your design elements should now appear in the new project. Make any necessary adjustments to the position or size of the elements. You may need to reformat text or images to fit your new layout. Finally, review your design to ensure everything is in place. When satisfied, save your project by clicking the Download button. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.